Today I am serving full Arab aesthetic, bronzed skin, bold liner, juicy lips. I already washed my face. Now I'm using toner to smooth out texture and a water-based moisturizer because oily skin deserves hydration too. Brighten it up with vitamin C serum, then primer to blur the pores. Orange corrector for my pigmentation, and then concealer on top. Always blending with a half dry, half damp beauty blender for better coverage. Foundation time. Brush first, blender later to soak up the extra and melt in it. I always do that in my videos. If you watch my videos, you probably know that. My brows are already thick, so I am using aloe vera gel and a brow brush to instant lift and clean natural brows. Then blush. I'm using cream blush first, then powder blush. And for removing that excess blush from my face, I'm using blender. Next, I'm deepening the outer corners with dark brown eyeshadow to create that lifted almond shaped effect. After that, I am using black shadow to make my eyes smoky. Then I am using golden shimmer on the center of my eyes for that glow and that glittery eye effect. Now I am highlighting my cheekbone, forehead, nose bridge and lip for that glow but not greasy. For lips, I am using a black lip liner. I don't have a proper black lip liner, so I am using a brow pencil. Blend it into some shadow close to my skin tone with my fingers or a brush. Middle of the lips, a pop of rosy pink lipstick. Then gloss on top. Fox eyeliner or cat wing, whatever suits you, it sharpens the whole look. Quick nose contour with a brown shadow and blending it with my fingers. Compact powder goes on my oily zones to avoid greasiness. First, I am curling my lashes. Hold the curler at the base for 5 seconds to get that nice lift. Then I am using my mascara, not brushing. I am using it horizontally to really build that volume. And don't skip the lower lashes, they add the drama and balance to the whole eye look. That's the look. Arab aesthetic but with brown girl power. Let me know if you'd rock this glam or go even bolder. Subscribe if you love golden hour as much as I do. Bye bye.